Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix iOS 17 update not showing on iPhone and iPad. So how to fix, first of all, open your iPhone and iPad setting. From here, tap on Wi-Fi connection and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. You have turned off this toggle and after a few minutes you have turned on. And after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and scroll it down. Then tap on journal, scroll it down, then tap on date and time. You make sure that turn on set automatically toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do is turn on this toggle and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back, scroll it down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, reset, then tap on reset network setting. Enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.